Welcome to Sri Balaji Green Valley, limited edition gated community with 48 villas, 2000 to 3000 square yards plot area with individual 685 square yards.
One of the most premium bungalows in Gujarat.
4 BHK verdant villas. 5 minutes away from Vaishno Devi Circle, Narmada Canal, Ahmedabad. The property is 100% pollution free, surrounded by the surreal natural ambience, being first ever concept in Ahmedabad, where villas are surrounded near natural canal.
It's a 7-star lifestyle bungalows with private pool in the backyard, breathtaking views of sunrise and chilly breeze at night. Wide, open spaces and lush natural beauty with international Spanish designs. Gardens directly accessible from the first floor. Serene style that echoes the austere elegance. Sri Balaji has turned the thought of luxury and peace at one place into a reality. As the name suggests, you are buying a 7-star luxury right in the city. Blend of natural outdoors and indoors is what makes this place beautifully serene. It's like naturally grooved, beautiful, wooden finished entrance which will make you fall in love with the space.
This is not just a real estate property, it's a modular Spanish modern home with royal finish of architectural brilliance.
Morning walks here along the green patch with the smell of wet soil of Narmada Canal, gazebos, nature and the pool with privacy is what I call a perfect morning. Possibility of personalization with a fire pit or just a sitting area with barbecue here. Personally, I would prefer barbecue for sure. The best part of this house is this vertical garden, accessible from the first floor and the main garden. Chilly winds, hot tea, grass beneath me and lovely meadows is giving me chills of a hill station right here in Ahmedabad. Modular kitchen with classic design to create the ambience. Culture with flamboyant design, the lavish living area is what makes this property a home. I just want to sit here and binge watch my favorite shows. My favorite song is Stairways to Heaven, and this home is our own heaven, right here on earth. The luxury features doesn't stop in this bedroom, mounting the elevated seating areas with nature's beauty in front of our eyes.
This room is elegant, ornate vanity and is also fit for royalty. If you are not sure if a blue bedroom is a good fit for luxury, think again. Luxury doesn't stop us from using colors. Blue is peaceful and moody. Metallic and neutrals get beaten easily by this unique design. Each room is unique neutral art with a heavy texture. The blue beauty, rustic farmhouse theme, elegant personality. This is the 4 BHK Green Valley Villas by Sri Balaji Group. Come, fall in love with nature. Only 2 pieces left in these ready to move in properties. First time a property near a natural canal.